Your nervous system doesn't respond to the date on the calendar. That's why a sound, a smile, or even a familiar place can make your body react before your mind understands why. It's a survival pattern that learned to stay alert long after the moment had passed. When that happens, try the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. This gives your brain real evidence that you are here, not back in the moment that hurt you.